hope to die. Welcome to my dark side. Take a step into the habit. Look around, this ain't even the half of it. I'm walking the line between panic and losing my mind, embracing the madness. My devils, they whisper in my ear, deafening me with all my fears.